Welcome guys, this is Redmi 13C, apply heat on back cover of the phone. With blade make space between back cover and body. Remove back cover with X-ray or with any plastic paper. Remove all the screw. Eject SIM tray from the phone. Remove inner body. Disconnect flex connector. Disconnect flex connector. Remove ringer buzzer. Disconnect antenna wire. Remove pull-out charging port board from the body. Install charging port board in the body. Connect flex connector. Connect antenna wire. Install ringer buzzer. Put back screw on ringer buzzer. Connect power button flex connector. Install inner body. Put back all the screw. Insert SIM tray in the phone. Apply gum around the body on place of the back cover of the phone. Install back cover of the phone. Must use rubber bands for good fitting. Remove rubber bands after 2 hours. Thank you for watching.